Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the recipe of quick and easy chicken puff pastry appetizer with pesto and parmesan cheese. For this recipe we will need a few simple ingredients. 1 puff pastry sheet, 100 grams of cooked and shredded chicken, 40 grams of pesto sauce, 30 grams of shredded parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt, and of course the scales. We will start by rolling the puff pastry sheet on a lightly floured surface. Then we will spread 40 grams of pesto sauce over the sheet, top with 100 grams of shredded chicken, then top with 30 grams of shredded parmesan cheese and a pinch of salt. Starting from a short end, gently roll up the puff pastry to form lock. Slice the lock into half-inch rounds and arrange them on a prepared baking sheet, spacing 1 inch apart. Here I recommend to brush with some melted butter, egg wash or water. Then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And this is it. Our chicken puff pastry appetizer is ready. Bon appetit!